Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add Volatility 75 Index on MetaTrader 5 PC. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, get yourself the MetaTrader 5 application on your Windows computer, and from there you then want to log in your account. Simply to go ahead and add the Volatility 75 Index, you can just press Ctrl U on your keyboard and then the symbols will show up, or you can just navigate through the view sections or the view option, click on symbols, and then it will take you to this page right here. Simply inside, you then want to search for the Volatility Index futures. Now in my case, I only have the S&P 500 available on my country, but in your case you will have more options right here depending on your broker. But in my specific broker, I only have the S&P or the Volatility Index futures on my account. And so you can just select the Index 75 and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.